I understand. Even when I did to him yesterday, many people they tell me for it, I say, many our Nigerian people, nobody want, they like get shop. And so when they buy house, and they do. Even one guy called me say house no they bring money. As me call this up Wakana, because of from Milan, I surprised say they say now Nigeria person get this shop. Now say make I ask you, how you they acquire all these things? You go school, put all those kind of things. All I make I see here from you.
You know, say our people like to spread rumor past the reality.
Hmm.
You understand?
Yeah.
Because say if you come Europe, you must go school before you do everything. If you go school, not be saying a bad thing. Not be bad thing. If you go school to get your own thing, because my own and our own will be the same.
Based on how you take one
But
time.
yeah, but sometimes self, not me say they say the thing not be your own. As far as you don't they pay put na your own.
Hmm.
Na your money.
No
Now you
more
so
like
far
that.
for money waiting they pay put. So now see your own. Like this one at the sixth shop where I get from Milan.
Hmm.
I don't close to. You understand? So you know,
Yeah.
I don't go school for any of the certificates.
Hmm.
I just that my second salon. So we see they exist. So
Yeah.
that one I rent the certificate. I dey pay put every month since 4 years now. So 4 years now the certificate not be my name. The boy I dey pay put not me get am.
Now you got it like that
Until
now.
when I say I don't need them, they carry their thing back. Until when I say I don't need the salon again, self. Because I dey pay.
Yeah.
If I know now when you know they pay for something, you call they say wetin I don't agree put. You call they say you no wan pay. Now they come say I can't give my certificate because you did refuse to pay. Don't the agreement will not sign. You
You
don't
don't follow up.
you don't follow up. So they'll sit there you say now so it be. But when you follow up, you don't get issue. Now Europe this won't be Africa. We say that doesn't say your business don't they move because they give you certificate because they can't give them.
Okay, do any.
This won't be Africa. It's not Europe. Agreement is agreement. So if I stand by the agreement.
Yeah.
So that one for the salon. If you don't go school, if you get shop. Like
Okay.
this restaurant now, when I carry them, everything, the document, everything they now just to they change their document from their name to my name.
So
Open
what
shop.
did they try tell me now say for Italy now? If you carry shop without you not go school.
Yes, so far make you get the money, not only the money safe, even though some people see even though you get the money, they don't still give you the shop because of say our people character, their behavior for here get as it be. You understand? Even when you want carry house, from since if you see well, you know say when you come your side, say whether blacks not they Milan again.
Yeah.
Blacks Milan will not be dirty city, na very clean city.
Hmm.
You understand me so? So because of the behavior of our people, the way they will carry house, they misbehave, they carry they'll say they be 2 data, they don't be 10.
Hmm.
Because of that, they ship, they go basket, they carry, they go foreign Milan. Our people, but when you call them, they say I dey Milan. But when you reach here, you know, say you need to enter another trip to go meet
You know,
them.
say where they did Nigeria
So
journey.
you understand? So because of our character, they push our people far. This center now, if you not dey okay, you not visit this center. I know what I dey talk. If you want
Yeah.
get only room and parlor self contain, you know say you get like 1,000 to 1,500 to get am.
See,
Even though you still get the money, say you want carry shop, say you not get better personality, person you not get person who want support you, who want stand for you, they don't give you shop. You get my point?
Yeah. Okay, so sister, so what do you come get to tell me say many of our people na so house that they buy. They know they like do business. And they say house, and you know say house not dey bring money. So what do you come be like your advice for
For
that kind
me,
of thing?
na stupidity I call am. I no come fit get house na where I dey sleep every day. Then I no dey get income. Wetin dey bring? Then I come dey stress to pay the rent. That na madness. Before you think to buy house, rent house first. Stand yourself for business. If that business dey come, bros, before I go buy house, I go buy hotel first. That hotel, I fit take one apartment for inside dey live
They do things there.
inside. If I chook for all this business, I don't want all this business again. I want relax. I will buy a hotel. Dey inside the hotel. The money go dey enter my account. They don't go know whether the owner dey the place.
That kind of thing.
You get my point?
But they feel you, sister.
So they won't buy even that house wey they buy. Wetin I wan let the people know say the house wey you buy today not be your own. You buy house now, maybe you no come fit pay. Government come carry am back. No be everybody wey buy house fit pay o.
No, not be small money.
70% government dey collect am back later.
How the whole money dog way?
You get my point? Then even though you still come buy the house and you leave am for your children, because you leave am for pikin wey head no dey house, go still sell am. Whether you sell am or not sell am, time to come. Now government still get that house. No be like your country wey for. You know say we dey do pass ourselves, we wey be Africa. Only one person wan get the full street. Only one person wan build as go reach that side.
They call it Obuche.
Oyibo, like this building now, like maybe na 100 people na get am. They wan eat in peace, sleep well. But we wan carry a partition, say we wan build this one, build this. At the end, na vanity upon vanity.
Like this kind of one be say, man, you get business for everywhere. So if you tell me your love life,
Like I get two boys, right? I get two boys.
okay.
One don dey go 12 years now. One na just newly complete 9 years. But the two of them are the same father. They are part of Africa, you know. They are pregnant when I come here.
Okay.
So the other one I just enter now deliver on that time. So I decided say before I go say I go enter another marriage, I need to take care of the ones when the day grand they come, build them up to. I still try my best for them as a mama. You get my point.
Yeah.
And not be say to marry, say if I won't marry ever since I don't feel marry, I feel marry.
Already now.
But I just decided, say, no, the time never reach. When the right time still come, I will marry.
Okay.
Because I don't want marry boyfriend for my children. I want marry
Man.
husband, father for my children. You get my point? Because not be all man be husband, not be all. Many
tell
boyfriend,
me.
now many boyfriend I plenty pass husband.
Tell me, sister.
So before you go love me, you first love my children, love my kids first. Even though you get the whole world, you get past more, I get past you, I don't care. But I will not say, I will not observe you, what you say, this person, you get the spirit of father.
What I love.
Because sometimes I know say pikin will not benefit talk to you anyhow, how you want to react matters a lot. You will be the mama, you need to dey think how your boyfriend will take react when your pikin talk to her anyhow because not being born am. You look whether this person now fit reach to be father to your children. Let me go carry boyfriend, go give your children say na because say you want please yourself, you forget about the children. And you also think of the unborn children wey you want to born for the man tomorrow. Whether this man will feel be real father. Because first mistake na mistake, second one you know before you do. You get my point. Maybe first mistake that time the sense never complete reach, you never see mature reach, na make the mistake happen. But when you don't get 2 children, don't they train that they go, you don't know, not that means you don't understand life, So you need to think well before you do as a mother, as a single mother. Not go marry boyfriend, go give your children because say life they sweet or the
Okay, like I understand your point now. But like what type of man you really like to spend your life with?
me.
Yeah.
At least because you make me laugh. Not be everything not be by money. You understand?
Yeah.
But not be say even though for example, my man not talk about myself, might talk about single mothers now. Even though the man not to get or the man get past you get past the man. But look the man, waiting the man carry for upstairs. Whether if this man if you push on, whether he go feel move forward. You understand?
Yeah.
Some people, everybody knows say all finger not be the same. But if you say because say okay, as I say because I get money, I must marry the man who just get the whole world. No, not be by that one. Now whether your brain correct, if you get the whole world, mean your brain not correct.
That one are true.
You get my point.
that one are true.
If you get them, they give me everything. Me, you know who get the spirit of a father. Because my children, they not believe me when you won't marry. You marry me, marry my children. So you must get the spirit of a father. Even though you get all your money not consign me because myself I know the lack.
Yeah.
I don't see try well as a woman for myself. I don't say I not to get to, but if you pay my bill, not be they pay my bill for me. They pay my bills on my own. So say I won't marry as a say I get children, I won't marry. No, whether the man they okay, not they okay. Say if I may correct upstairs.